Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Claisebrook right now. I just tried to get into another car. So yeah, I just got off from the third car and I run into the second car because there's way too many people on the third car, but also actually a lot of people on the second car over here. But whatever, we're just gonna do one station journey on the Armadale train to Oats Street, Claisebrook to Oats Street, using C pattern, so skip everything. Next stop is Oats Street.
Next station, Oats Street, then non-stop to Cannington. Change at Oats Street for Welshpool and Queen's Park.
So I'll be skipping Burswood, Victoria Park and Carlisle. Up there's a T pattern. Next coming up, the next train to Armadale is actually a B pattern, which is stopping an extra stop at Queen's Park. And here's Burswood.
Next station, Oats Street, then non-stop to Cannington. Change at Oats Street for Welshpool and Queen's Park.
So later on at night we'll do the premiere of the vlog. Not the vlog, actually it's a full journey today. Request full journey that I did today in the morning. Very long, 1 hour and 40 minutes. So hopefully the premiere will work out. If it doesn't work out, we'll do the live stream premiere fail backup plan again. Victoria Park. Alright, Carlisle. Here's Carlisle. Next station, Oats Street, then non-stop to Cannington.
This is Oats Street.
I'm beginning off. I'm going over to Cannington, so
Change here for Welshpool and Queen's Park.
I'll see you guys later on in the premiere, hopefully. So I'll see you guys later. Remember to like and subscribe, click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Check out the links in the description down below for my other channels and my Instagram. Click on these videos up top, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace! Not turning.